That's just typical, isn't it? I started to record a video and the family arrived back. So I had to stop it and do it again. Uh, let's get on with it, guys. This time we are going to link uh, the second of the SSL plugins, which we haven't used yet, and it's the 360 link bus compressor. Now, I did have a UAD bus compressor linked to this, and I unlinked it for the purposes of this video. So let's go to it again. Go to your plugins, select your bus compressor, and here it is here. And you see that it maps nearly into, I think there's one maybe button that doesn't, maybe something like this doesn't map. Anyway, let's get on with it. If you go to your mapping, tab, there's your plugins tab and your mapping tab. If I grab the threshold knob here, you'll see the threshold activates up here. What I did earlier if you click on this and then do this, you get the little blue icon. If that happens, come back here to the threshold, give it a wiggle, and the other one activates. Okay? So basically, I'll unassign it and do it again to show you exactly what I mean. Grab the threshold. The parameter has a little, is highlighted here. Like I was saying earlier, all the mapping parameters must be shared across VSTs for this to happen. So quite convenient. So grab your threshold here. The threshold activates here. Just click on this. Now, over here, makeup. You'll see the makeup parameter lights up. Makeup. Let's keep going. Attack. Lights here. Attack. Release. Release. Ratio. Ratio in and out. Side chain high pass filter. And the mix. Let's do that one again. There we go. Now let's see this. The fade rate doesn't map onto here. You see, there's nowhere to do it. And what's this? I think this is a harmonic distortion of some sort. I'm not quite sure. And anyway, we just close that down. Close this down. Now, if we go to our SSL 360 application, you will see the UAD compressor in the sidecar section, and it works with one little fault, that the meter is missing. The needle is missing. It's a very good compressor, as are their channel strips. I'd like to be able to use this and use the SSL mixing trick. I'll show you that quickly. Okay, pull your threshold right down, and you want compression sitting at about -10 dB. You bring up your volume, your makeup, to match the volume. Give it a fast attack. Leave the release on auto, and you can, if you want to smash it, you can stick it up there, but you don't really want to smash it. Leave it here. Now, we can't really see where we want it hovering in here. You could merely check it out in another app to see, and maybe in Reaper, you could see where the levels need to be to get into here. Now, make up to match the input volume and the output volume. Now, on your side chain, move it up to about between 120 and 140 hertz. It gets a bit muddy down there once you do this, and then pull the mix down to about 20%. Now, that's one of the SSL tricks, we should call it. Again, pull your threshold down to get between 8 and 12 dB compression. Increase the makeup gain to match the level that was there previously. Fast attack, auto release. Probably 2-to-1 ratio. You might want to use 4-to-1 sometimes, but 2-to-1 mostly. High pass filter to 120 hertz and pull the mix down to about 20%. That is a nice working setting. You might need to just tweak it a little bit here and there, but that's basically it. Sorry about the music. And that's our bus compressor mapped. Um, Hope you enjoyed that. Let's see if I can remember how to do that. Yay!